Welcome back to Joy Art for Kids. Today, we're going to draw a boat, a cute little boat floating on the water. Grab your pens and let's get started. First, draw a long curved shape for the bottom of the boat. Add a straight line on top, that's the deck. Draw a few lines on the boat to make it look even better. Draw a small cabin in the middle. Now add 2 round windows. Draw some smoke coming out of the chimney. Finally, a little flag on the desk. Now let's trace the outlines to make our drawing pop. Careful, don't go out of the lines. Let's color it in. Color the bottom of the boat light yellow. Darker yellow for the decorative strip in the middle. Now color the main part of the boat red. Color the window frames blue. Lighter blue for the glass inside. The chimney can be orange. Color the smoke gray. Finally, color the little flag green. Great job, your boat looks awesome. If you want to make it even cooler, go over the outlines one more time for that extra bold look. don't forget to like and subscribe, so you don't miss more fun drawings. See you next time on Joy Art for Kids.